Hello friends, the topic that I am going to discuss is stable operating point for a motor from its speed torque characteristics. We know that speed torque characteristics are actually graph between the two, and it means that the speed varies with the variation in torque or vice versa. And here, for any motor and load system, we have to consider two graphs. One is shown here with TE and one is shown here with TL. So TE is for output torque produced by the motor. We actually call it electromagnetic torque or output torque. And TL is the load torque, which is the load requirement of the torque requirement of a load. So at this is A. Point A is a operating point. It is an operating point, and at this operating point, TE and TL both are equal at a particular speed. Let us say this speed is n naught. For speeds less than n naught, that is for speeds less than point A, consider about this point. Let us take this example. At this point, the load torque is less than the electromagnetic torque or the motor output torque. So what happens, since the output torque is more and the load requirement is less, there will be a net acceleration of the motor, and the speed of the motor load system will increase. It will tend to increase and it will go towards point A. Alright, now let us consider about this point. If suppose somehow the speed of the motor is increased, then what happens? TL, load torque, is greater than the TE, output torque. So the load requirement is more and the torque which is provided by the motor is less. So what happens? There will be deceleration of the motor, and the speed of the motor will tend to reduce. So in both these situations, this situation and this situation, in both these conditions, the motor tend to move towards point A. Hence, for slight changes in speed, the motor will tend to come back towards the point A. Hence, we can say that this is stable operating point. Now, let us consider another example. We see this graph. Look at this graph. This TE is this line and TL is this line, this variation. Now, for point B, if suppose we consider this point here at this situation, TE, that is electromagnetic torque, is less than TL, load torque. So what happens actually? Uh, the if anyhow the speed of the motor decreases beyond this point, if it decreases beyond this point, the load requirement will increase and the output of the torque will decrease. uh, you can think about it like the requirement of the load is more and the output of the torque is less. So what will happen? This will further tend to reduce the speed of the motor. Hence, the speed will be further reducing towards this left side. So, the motor load system it will not tend to move towards the point B, but it will but the speed will be further reduced. Now, let us consider this situation when speed of the motor is slightly more than what it is at point B. Let us consider this situation. At this point, TE is more and TL is less. That is, electromagnetic torque is more and load torque is less. So what will happen? There will be an acceleration of the motor load system, and this will try to increase the speed of the motor further. So again, the speed of the system will again not tend to move towards point B, but it will be moving away from point B. So in this point, this operating point B in this system, this operating point B is not a stable system. So we have seen these two cases, and from these two cases we can judge how to know that which point is a stable point and which operating point is unstable operating point. Thank you.